Coming up next is the women's strawweight bout, wherein we've got Rashmi Jain taking on Sonam Zumba at a very short notice.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Rashmi Jain!
There we have her, Rashmi Jain, making the walk for her professional debut in India's largest MMA promotion, Matrix Fight Night, card number 13.
Whenever boys, Tanay and Rahul, I've been calling MMA fights for almost a decade now, and it's always so good to see how far this sport has come. When it comes to the women's division, one of MFN's own, Pooja Tomar, has landed a contract and has moved on from MFN to now the UFC, and it's just, it's such a beacon of inspiration that Matrix Fight Night gives women fighters a chance. A lot of organizations around the world did not give women a chance to fight, and it was in India that we started immediately saying women should get the same opportunities as men, and therefore we see immediately Rashmi Jain taking on Sonam Zumba in the strawweight division with a really stacked card. And Rashmi has an opportunity of a lifetime, Rahul. She gets a chance in front of this amazing crowd to make her mark here.
Absolutely. Just look at Rashmi. She is confident.
Very confident, Tanay. And I really like the fact that she's making a pro debut tonight at MFN 13. I've seen her fighting in the amateur circuit, and she's been excellent. Let's look at her keys to victory. She has to follow the game plan, keep her guard up, and avoid an early damage, because she is fighting Sonam Zumba, who's very skilled with the striking.
Exactly. Sonam Zumba is an absolute warrior. She needs to keep her hands up, keep that distance, stay out of that kicking range. We all know Sonam Zumba trains with Babaji Chaudhary from Vidang MMA, and that's one of the toughest striking camps that comes out of there. She needs to be very careful, stay out of the range, and more importantly, take her time. A lot of fighters don't realize that the fight lasts for 15 minutes, 3 rounds. Take your time, find your openings, set up, and then execute what you want.
Initially, Sonam was supposed to fight Sarita Rathore, but Sarita ki tabiat theek nahi thi, and therefore Rashmi Jain stepped in as the last moment opponent. And it's been, I think, she's fully prepared for the camp, and she trains at Shastra Academy, which is one of the best here in Delhi.
And her opponent, making her way to the cage, Sonam Zumba!
And Sonam Zumba, another fighter walking out to We Will Rock You, that we must point out.
Something up with this song, clearly.
I think this is the Rocktober.
I like the fact that everybody's using rock songs tonight. Very fun. I love these bands as well.
Absolutely nostalgia on the songs. But we've got Sonam Zumba, who is making a second appearance at Matrix Fight Night. Her last fight was against Jojo Rajkumari, where she won by a unanimous decision. It was a great performance by her.
इनकी पिछली फाइट MFN 12 में थी जोजो राजकुमारी के खिलाफ, और बहुत ही अच्छा प्रदर्शन करके इन्होंने दिखाया कि विमेन स्ट्रॉवेट डिवीजन MFN में कितना स्टैक होता जा रहा है। अरुणाचल प्रदेश से हैं, वहाँ की पहली प्रो MMA फाइटर हैं, पर क्योंकि ये आसाम में ट्रेन करती हैं, आसाम का पारंपरिक गामूसा अपने गले में बांधे हुए।
Rahul, जब आप हिंदी बोलते हो ना, I feel really bad because my Hindi is so poor compared to yours. So I'm just looking at you talk.
Is that a compliment?
It's a massive compliment. But speaking of compliments, let's figure out her keys to victory first. Sonam Zumba comes from that famed Vidang MMA camp. You can see her coach Babaji Chaudhary at the prep point. Strike first, get in the center of that cage and look to start first. She's got heavy hands, heavy kicks. Hit her with that volume, get the center and look for the early knockout. You don't want to last too long, because if you're a striker, strikers tend to smell blood. And if a striker smells blood, they will go for the finish. Sonam Zumba has that unique opportunity here tonight, Rahul.
Absolutely, and her keys to victory remind me of the 3 rules of the Cobra Kai Dojo, which is strike first, strike hard, and no mercy. And that is exactly what we have at Matrix Fight Night.
Yeah, she's Babaji's prodigy, and her style is exactly like Babaji the Stretcher Chaudhary, one of India's best.
No, nobody can replace Babaji Chaudhary, my friend. Nobody.
That's right, she's a prodigy. Let's look at the tail of the tape. This is a strawweight bout. We've got Rashmi Jain 24 years of age, height 168 centimeters. Both the ladies made weight. And on the other hand, we've got Sonam Zumba, 25 years of age, height 158 centimeters.
Karate versus MMA and kickboxing, but let's go inside the cage for the fun introductions with the voice Jared Kyle.
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. She weighed in at 51.1 kilograms, representing Delhi. Give it up for Rashmi Jain. And her opponent fighting out of the red corner. She weighed in at 52.2 kilograms, representing Arunachal Pradesh. Make some noise for Sonam Zumba! Ladies and gentlemen, as the action begins, the referee for the fight, Ranjit.
Follow my instruction all the time. If I say stop, stop the fight. You will touch gloves, and back to your corner.
चलिए करते हैं शुरुआत विमेंस फाइट की, जहां रश्मि का सामना है आज काफी टफ ओपोनेंट से, सोनम जोम्बा.
I'm always proud to see a women's fight, and this kudos to Aishwarya Shroff and Krishna Shroff for making this happen. A stacked division in women's MMA is so important to an organization to give a chance to a lot of women who are stepping in from individual discipline sports like karate and kickboxing into MMA, and immediately Sonam Zumba starts with that beautiful inside leg kick. Again, 2 on the mark, and you can see the speed difference between the opponents. Rashmi Jain a little tentative. She probably feels the power here. And third leg kick, 3 for 3 for Sonam Zumba.
What Sonam here doing is she's trying to tease Rashmi, and she starts banging.
There's clearly a difference in speed and technique here. Sonam Zumba certainly the more technical striker. Beautiful strike to the body there.
Sonam is an elite striker. If you look at her first ever victory, it was via a vicious 3-punch combo. Let's see if she can replicate that tonight with a head kick onto Rashmi Jain.
Beautiful outside right kick. She needs to stay patient, take her time, break down that front leg kick. Guys, if you've never had a leg kick, if you've never eaten a leg kick, you don't know what it does. It batters the muscles, it batters the entire leg. You start to lose mobility, and after a point, few more leg kicks and body kicks, and you watch Rashmi Jain won't be able to breathe properly. The gas tank will begin to empty and sets up the head shots. Beautiful overhand right by Sonam Zumba, who's looking to close the show, close those combinations so beautifully, Rahul.
यहाँ पे रश्मि जैन फाइट में थोड़ी अंडरडॉग हैं, और यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छी स्ट्राइकिंग दिखा.
Spinning back kick, back fist attempt by Sonam here.
So far, Sonam showing excellent striking skills. She's got all the tools in her toolbox, be it spinning elbows, spinning kicks, or inside leg kicks.
No, Rashmi needs to start moving here because she's standing right in front of her opponent. She's standing flat-footed, and this is the perfect situation for a skilled kickboxer like Sonam, because she'll do this all day. She's got 14 minutes. She can keep kicking. She can keep landing shots. She's landing a beautiful 1-2 and finishing off with the left head kick. I wish she'd masked that head kick a little better, because she's shown it to her opponent already 3 times. Good counter with that left kick. And Sonam is she's standing in stance. She's not bouncing on her feet. She's staying stable. Beautiful combination. Hang on, she might be hurt here. And the fight is over. I think it was a shot to an eye. She might have hurt her eye with that punch. But what a great performance by Sonam Zumba.
Well, how comfortable was that for her? Sonam Zumba had a good 2.5 minute sparring session there with Rashmi and absolutely nailed the landing.
No, it was just academic from the get-go. You could see the difference in skill. Now Rashmi couldn't get started. The minute she started to eat those leg kicks, those shots there, and overhand right, some of the striking was telegraphed and a little sloppy, but those kicks were on point. The shots to the body, the shots to the leg, and I think that shot was to the eye. It was not a poke, it might have been a knuckle to the eye, which caused the end of the fight, but her opponent seems okay, and I love this.
A lot of respect.
The sportsmanship that comes in, and let's take a look and see, look at the strike, the accuracy of Sonam Zumba, 66% automatically, 27 strikes landed, power strikes, and I would say critical strikes, they're all critical, to be honest.
They're all critical, yeah. The unofficial fight starts brought to you by Fight Geek. Let's go to Jared and make it official.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Ranjit called a stop to this fight after 2 minutes and 13 seconds of round 1 for your winner by TKO, Sonam Zomba.
And she gets her hand raised for the 4th time in a row. Sonam Zomba.